My name is Monique Cruz, and I will be your instructor for Fashion 21, Principles of Fashion. Now this course we go through the analysis of designing apparel. We start off by learning all of the elements of design, aka also known as the tools to make art. And examples of that are line, shape, space, color, and texture. And it also gives you an example of how those elements will drastically change your designs. We'll also implement the principles of design, aka how to use the tools to make the art. And examples of that are pattern, balance, rhythm, emphasis. We'll also touch a little bit on trend predictions, how to do that, also fashion marketing, and most importantly, how to determine your target customer. So right away on day one, get ready to create. We have tons of hands-on projects. So we encourage everyone to get their book before the first day of class. And the book we will be using is Fashion by Design by Janice Allenwood. Now this is what the book looks like for those of you that have not purchased it yet. I do encourage you to get this book, and it's a great addition to your fashion library. I still have mine for my own schooling. So we will be utilizing not only the book, but this YouTube channel. So I encourage you to subscribe, and I will be uploading lectures, discussions, and so on this channel. So go ahead and subscribe. I've also listed a link down below of where to purchase the book if our bookstore does not have it in stock. You can also rent it. So there's a couple of places you can do that, and I'll leave the link down below on this video. Lastly, if you have not yet downloaded the Canvas app on your devices, I highly recommend it. So I'll also leave the link to where you can download it. So look for Canvas Student on your devices to download as an app. This is all that I have for you at the moment. Oh, lastly, if you need to reach me, my best way of communication is through Canvas message. So don't forget, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a message on Canvas, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So that's all I have for you for right now, and I will catch up with you designers on Canvas.